Welcome to Hacker Hacks, your go-to source for the latest in cybersecurity. In this episode, we break down Lazarus hackers' attempt to launder $100 million, Apache Tomcat's zero-day exploit, and Google's $30 billion bid for Wiz. We also cover ATM hacking, GitHub supply chain attacks, and cyber espionage from Taiwan to Mexico. Stay tuned as we uncover the threats shaping cybersecurity today. OKX Web 3 suspended its DEX aggregator services to implement security upgrades after North Korean Lazarus hackers attempted to launder $100 million from a $1.5 billion Bybit heist. OKX denied regulatory claims of involvement, stating it proactively froze illicit funds. The exchange is enhancing security by identifying and blocking hacker-linked addresses in real time and collaborating with blockchain explorers for better tracking. These measures aim to prevent further misuse and strengthen regulatory compliance. It remains uncertain if Lazarus will adapt or shift to less secure platforms. A critical Apache Tomcat vulnerability, CVE 2025-24813, is being actively exploited just 30 hours after public disclosure. It affects versions 9, 0.0-M 1 to 9, 0.9810, 1.0-M 1 to October 1st, 34 and 11, 0.0-M 1 to 11, 0.2. The flaw enables remote code execution or information disclosure under specific conditions, including enabled partial PUT requests and file-based session persistence. Attackers exploit this by uploading a malicious Java session file via PUT and triggering execution through a GET request. Security experts warn that attackers may soon escalate to planting backdoors. Users are urged to update to patched versions 9, 0.99 October 1st, 35 and 11, 0.3 immediately. Google is in advanced talks to acquire cloud cybersecurity firm Wiz for $30 billion. This follows a failed attempt last year at a $23 billion valuation. Led by Google Cloud CEO Thomas Kurian, the acquisition aims to strengthen Google's cloud security portfolio. Wiz has shown rapid financial growth with an annual recurring revenue of $500 million in July 2023 and projections to hit $1 billion by 2025. The deal would represent a significant premium as Wiz last raised $1 billion in May 2023 at a $12 billion valuation, later increasing to $16 billion. Neither company has publicly commented on the negotiations. A 36-year-old Kolkata tailor, Mohammed Sahil, was arrested by the Kolkata police cyber cell for orchestrating multiple ATM frauds. Inspired by Romanian scammers and YouTube tutorials, Sahil used a unique method involving modified ATM parts and fake helpline numbers to trap victims' cards. He targeted ATMs in Survey Park, Behala Chaurasta, and possibly Mukundapur and Regent Park. One victim lost INR 1 lakh in a recent case. Joint CP Rupesh Kumar stated that Sahil is being interrogated to identify accomplices. He was presented before the Alipore court and remanded in police custody till March 24th. Silicon Valley-based cybersecurity firm Operant AI is expanding into India, launching its real-time security solutions for AI applications and growing its local team. CEO Vrajesh Bhavsar stated that initial key hires will support customers and engineering operations. Operant AI specializes in securing cloud environments for AI applications, preventing attacks like data exfiltration. The company primarily targets fintech firms offering data redaction capabilities. Founded in 2021 in San Francisco, Operant AI has raised $13.5 million from investors like Felicis and Sinewave. The India expansion marks a return for co-founders Vrajesh Bhavsar and Priyanka Tembe, who previously worked at Apple ARM and VMware. A supply chain attack on the TJ Actions/changed files GitHub action used in over 2.3.0.0.0 repositories has led to a massive exposure of sensitive secrets. Security firm Step Security detected a malicious commit on Friday, triggering CVE 2025-30066, which allows remote attackers to extract secrets from action logs. Wiz Threat Research found affected repositories belonging to major organizations with leaked credentials including AWS keys, GitHub tokens, and private RSA keys. Though the issue was quickly fixed, security experts warn that organizations must now investigate possible exposures, emphasizing the need for real-time CI/CD security monitoring to prevent such attacks in the future. Mexican President Claudia Sheinbaum revealed that her personal phone and an old email account were hacked in a cyber attack. She assured that the compromised phone is not used for personal communication, but to interact with supporters. Scheinbaum had previously issued warnings upon discovering the breach. Meanwhile, former US President Donald Trump has unexpectedly praised Scheinbaum, calling her a wonderful woman, and delaying tariffs on Mexico out of respect. Scheinbaum has taken bold steps against drug cartels, extraditing 29 drug lords to the US in February. She has also emphasized Mexico's sovereignty, stating, coordination, yes, submission, never. A POC exploit has been released for CVE 2000 2430 6904, a use after free vulnerability in the Linux kernel's TCP subsystem. It occurs in the init underscore twisk underscore hashdance function, which inserts a time wait socket into the hash table before setting its reference counter. The flaw allows for arbitrary code execution or denial of service attacks. It was tested on Alma Linux 9 with kernel 5.14.0-362.24, 2.l9_3.x86_64, but other versions may also be affected. The issue was patched in Red Hat Enterprise Linux 9 on kernel 5.14-427, 26.1. A POC exploit is available demonstrating how the vulnerability can be triggered using Kazan, kernel address sanitizer. Users are advised to update their Linux kernels immediately to mitigate potential threats. China's Ministry of State Security has identified a Taiwan-based hacking group, Poison Vine, APTQ-20, responsible for persistent cyber attacks against the Chinese mainland. According to cybersecurity firm Qi Angxin, the group has been active since 2018 using spear phishing emails, phishing websites, and watering hole attacks to target government, military, and research institutions. APTQ-20 impersonates professionals from think tanks, military contractors, and government agencies to steal intelligence. Over 30% of exploited vulnerabilities involve weak passwords in routers, smart devices, and firewalls. Despite using unsophisticated tactics like brute force attacks, the group has been registering domains and buying servers for phishing operations for 15 years. With rising geopolitical tensions, cyber espionage threats from Taiwan-based groups are expected to grow, urging stronger security measures. Adara Ventures, a European VC firm specializing in deep tech, announced the first close of its 100 million euros AV4 fund, focusing on cybersecurity, AI, digital infrastructure, and more. Over the past 9 months, Adara secured 140 million euros across its fourth generation funds, including Adara Ventures Energy, dedicated to energy transition technologies. Founder Nico Goulet emphasized their strategy of investing in dragons, companies that return the entire fund. Since 2005, Adara has backed 50 plus startups achieving 10 plus notable exits. The firm is actively investing from AV4 and AVE, with the first 3 deals expected in early 2025. New investors are welcome, and Adara's portfolio founders have joined as LPs, reinforcing the fund's credibility. Adara manages Euro 350M plus in assets and targets high-growth European startups in deep tech sectors. Cyber threats are evolving fast, from Lazarus hacks to Linux exploits. Stay secure and stay informed with Hacker Hacks. Follow us for more updates, and we'll catch you in the next episode. Stay safe out there.